Oh, el distributor está flojo. The distributor's loose, dude. We gotta tighten that one up. You see it moving?
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Yeah.
That's your timing, dude. That'll make it run like shit. So your timing might be off. You might not need a mass airflow, dude. Este se les han cambiado.
Are those original?
No, they're not original. They had already replaced them. Who knows when, ¿verdad? Pero they've been out for a while. Yeah, you see that corrosion?
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
Yeah.
Look at this, you know. You know. You see this?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. This is bad. Junk. Now, this was junk too. After we're done with your truck, you're gonna see the difference. You're gonna feel the difference, sorry. Yeah. Burnt. Look at all this shit on there. That's corrosion, dude. Junk. So, stop it. So basically it's gonna be cap and rotor, throttle body cleaner, a flush for your radiator. We'll go ahead and install the lower radiator hose. Swap out your battery terminals, ¿verdad? And you know what, let's go ahead and do your plugs in a vez. Even though they look decent, let's go ahead and swap them out. We got a few little things for this 97 pickup truck. Distributor cap, rotor. They didn't have the Delphi, so nor standard. All they had was Master Pro, so went ahead and got those. Battery terminals, the ones he's got are pretty beat up. Bought a K&N filter little kit to clean out the filter and oil it up and put it back on there. And we bought this. We're gonna go ahead and clean out that throttle body. It is a little, it's got some black soot or grime all around it, so we're gonna go ahead and get that one done. And we're gonna go ahead and try to fix up those wiring. They had spliced them and they used black tape, and they did a poor ass job of fixing that one, so we're gonna go ahead and address that also. Hopefully after we do this, the truck will run a little bit smoother, and hopefully he won't get that raw gas smell coming out of the tailpipe as bad. August, let me get this done.
You got a spot for it?
Yeah, hands free. Hands free, dude. Nomás que está recording, and it's actually recording what we say.
Clean up the car.
Not yet, dude. I thought we'll get it. this. There's that. I see those wires back in the distributor. 2, 6, 8, where's the 3? 3, 4, and the coil wire. There's the cap and rotor, and the wires back on it. So throttle body's next. And this is just, I mean, it's not a professional cleaning. It's just to get some of that shit off of it. Huh? We'll do it. We'll do what they're all later. Ya se pega, dude. Yeah, it doesn't feel that great, really.
That wire that you just did doesn't go to.
Ahorita, we can remove whatever wire. Esta.
Well, I mean, it goes to something.
No, let's leave it off for now. Go. You don't have an amp inside the truck or nothing, right? Let's leave it off for now, dude. Do you have the terminals? Wait, dude, that's weird. They have a wire with a fuse connected to your ground. That might be a problem. Want to turn it off? There's a negative. Now we got to get the positive. You want to get this one? You know? Now pull that thing off.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Not to unscrew it now. Real tight. The keys are in the truck. You can use it now.
Yeah, no, I'm taking it apart, dude. I can't.
Huh?
I'm taking the spark plugs off. I can't turn it on.
I'll be back right now.
All right. Two rear ones were kind of bad. The first one was somewhat decent. Vamos ahí. Let me tighten that one up. Como que está bien incómoda. I gotta remove the extension and do the ratchet solo.
You know that if you break these and you throw it at the glass, it'll break?
The porcelain fork?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. And you don't have to toss it hard.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is about the porcelain. But,
I saw a video.
well, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and do the rest. Well, guys, I kind of lost the last piece of the video, which was ending for the 5.7 tune-up. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this as a closing, and hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys.